Yes, may it please your lordship.
Yes.
In that matter, my name is Kamau.
Yes.
I do appear for the plaintiff alongside Mr. Karanja, who I'll be holding brief for, given the fact that he has just been called for other engagements. I don't know whether the State Council is present.
Yes,
My lady,
I'm present.
The court directive, we did attend to the hospital site at exactly 11 a.m. to confirm the submissions by the State Council that indeed we are allowed to access the premises. And the moment we arrived, the National Police in the motor vehicle with the siren on came. Reinforced security on the said premises. Prevented the nurses and the hospital staff entry into the said building. And as a matter of fact, when we reached there, it was not locked with a padlock. Immediately, they locked it with a padlock. And as such, we believe that the county commander has committed perjury in the face of the court by lying that he has complied with the said order, which is not the case. He's hell-bent on ignoring the said court orders at any cost whatsoever. Unfortunately, the State Council did not join us, but we believe, given the fact that they are his clients, Mr. Ndanyi, the county commander is his client, is her client, we believe she told him of the directive. That's why they came to the site very fast. It is in that regard that we humbly request that summons will not work here, but warrant of arrest be issued against the said county commander for perjury and contempt of the face of the court. They cannot be taken in circles every time in relation to this matter just to comply with court orders. That is all.
Miss Wanjeri?
My lady, as I'd indicated earlier, I was holding brief for Mr. Muthuri, who is in this post. And for that reason, I really tried to contact him for further instructions. I couldn't be able to, and I had to follow up myself with the county police commander, which I did. And we actually got in touch a bit late, but he sent me a printout, a copy of a leave out, which belongs to his daughter, indicating that he's actually not in Nakuru at the moment. The fact that he was called to pick his daughter and take her to the hospital.
Yes, well done.
Yes, I've sent it by email to court. Nakuru LC2, that's the email I've used at Gmail. personal commitments that they.
Just hold on. Just hold on.
It's because of the personal commitments that the county police commander had. That's why he's not been able to attend the site visit. And as I said, I'm only working with the instructions I was given. And that's why Mr. Muthuri can, and also for the county police commander to be present in court. At this point, and be issued against the county police.
Just a brief rebuttal. We do appreciate the orders issued by this honorable court dated 25th January 2024, and in particular order number 2, to the effect that he should attend to court today to explain the difficulties why he has not been able to comply with the said court order. Today in the morning, they came and said that they are fully complied, and as such, we should be able to gain entry. These issues about the daughter being unwell have just come up right now, and it's just an excuse. Because either way, if at all he had an issue in relation to attendance, he would have said the same during the morning session. Your Honor, this matter is clear as the sun that indeed the parties are not willing to renegade or comply with the court orders whatsoever. We already have a summon against the said county police commander. The only thing that remains hearing is warrant of arrest being issued against him. Probably the same will be complied with if it is enforced against him. We humbly request warrant of arrest to be issued. We attend to court. We cannot be abusing court orders as if they have no meaning or significance. They are vital for the foundation and running of a country.
Yes.
I did not have the instructions on the sick child issue. I just had to follow up when I was unable to contact Mr. Muthuri. I took it up upon myself to actually follow up so that I can have at least proper information to give court at
Ms.
12.
Wanjeri, what do you suggest now that he's not there today?
My lady, I suggest we take another date. We shall ensure he appears in court, the next court date.
So when is this date?
Maybe we could have Monday.
I'm tired
Because
of mentioning this matter.
My lady, let's work with 1st of February, it's Thursday.
Mr.
Yes, my lady. We can come back. We can come back on 1st. You know, we will not renegade until court orders are obeyed.
I will. The court will be proceeding on leave. I'll give you a date before Justice Ombwai.
Okay, we can come back on 1st. If the court
1st
of February. That is just on Thursday, as she has suggested, giving an undertaking to that effect.
Let me confirm with Justice Ombwai first before we...
Most obliged.
Mentioned before Court 1, that is before Justice Obwai on 1st February 2024 for further directions. Police Commander Nakuru County to appear in Court 1 on the same date to explain to the court why he has not implemented the court order, failure to which a warrant of arrest to issue.
Most obliged.
Most obliged.
Thank you.
William. Ole Saruni. Hata na ndisi yako. Ongeza Kimasai. Ole Saruni yako wapi bwana? Anagunga. Wamefunga na kufuli ya 12,000. Ole Saruni.
Ile Patrick amechukua nini?
Asante sana. Doktora lege tu nani? Olia lege. Olia lege. Sio duda nini? Please. Kaini
Sasa nifungulie niingie hivi sasa kwa toda. Toda imetoka mahakamani sasa hivi.
Rekodi wao watu wakilepa kwa toda. Waone kuna watu wanaopanga. Na wale pale ukiangalia, they call them, they want to become celebrities.
So once again
Hapo ni mzuri.
leo asubuhi High Court, Land Court imetoa order ya kwamba tuje hapa ili ya kwamba wafanyikazi waruhusiwe kuingia, kwa sababu County Commander alisema ya kwamba tayari amecomply na court order ambayo nilimserve hapo awali, na nimepitia kwa ofisi yake, hayuko, nimewacha copy na pia nimemtumia kwa WhatsApp kama tunavyoruhusiwa na sheria, na pia nimekuja hapa ili kwamba niweze kupeana court order, lakini kama mnavyoona mlango umefungwa na kufuli kubwa, kwa hivyo hatujaweza kuingia ndani, lakini kama sheria inavyoruhusu tayari tumepeana order na commander yuko na copy, na kwa hivyo sasa tunaamini ya kwamba tukirudi kotini ataweza kuja na kuelezea. Asante.
May I say something? Yes. Mine is simple. I want to tell my friends at the county government. I know right now you feel you're powerful. I know you feel like court orders are just mere papers. Let me remind you that court orders, the same courts are the ones who have mandated you and have given you power to act the way you are acting today from the sovereignty of these people. If today the county people of Nakuru decide not to pay licenses, not to pay parking fees, and you decide to go to the courts that you choose to ignore, and they tell you they will not listen to you simply because you refuse to listen to the court, what will you do? So think about it. Let us obey court orders and let us fight in court for heaven's sake.
Are you going to ask the court to, are you going to request the court to order a warrant of arrest for the county commander of Nakuru?
The court has already issued the warrant of arrest. It's just a matter of implementation. Let us see how it will go.
Mr. Mbuthia, what next step is
Enumerating the procedure I've taken to serve the commander, and the court will decide on what action to take against the commander, because for sure I've done my work, I've served. He has not appeared, he has not complied. He was supposed to be here by 11 to ensure that the staffs go back to their workplace. But as you can see, the gate is still locked, yet the order has already been served by way of WhatsApp. I've also been to his office, he's not there. So the court will give further directions.
This hard copy order that you're carrying, what will you do with it?
I am supposed to do an affidavit and return it to court. Yes, sir.
Maybe you can tell us the number of days that you've been trying to serve the county commander in total.
In
I have been here, I've been there since Monday, trying to push for service of the court order. Several times I've gone, more than one time per day I've been there, but I've never met him in person because he's always said to be out of office. It's a sad scenario, because these officers are supposed to be in the office to serve the common wananchi. However, I've not been able to meet him. But I can confirm that I have his number given by the secretary. I was able to serve him by way of WhatsApp. I've called him several times. He has not received. I've texted him. He doesn't receive my texts, but that is it. So.
In your WhatsApp delivery, has he responded to the messages?
No, he hasn't. He has never responded. Yes, not blue tick, but I can tell you it is received, because there is a way we confirm that it's already received.